Hello friends, I'm Ashish Joseph, pursuing my studies in Learners PU College. Now we are going to learn about the role of chemical reactions in our everyday life. We can simply say that whenever a chemical changes occur, we say that chemical reaction has taken place. Now let us see some of the chemical reaction taking place in our everyday life. Rusting of iron. When iron particles react with moisture, it forms iron oxide, which is also known as rust. The rust formed by the iron oxide destroys the articles made up of iron, as shown in the picture. Digestion. The digestion process involves chemical reaction of acids and bases present in the body. The acid and bases present in the body breaks down the food into simpler form. The food which is broken into simpler form during digestion produces energy through chemical reaction which is used for various activities such as respiration, growth, for body repair, etc. Wood is used as a fuel that burns the air to produce heat and light. Rotting of fruit. Rotting of fruit is a chemical reaction where the fruit which is spoiled causes enzymatic reaction to occur which cause the molecules to change. Curdling of milk. When the chemical reactions occur, the lactose sugar present in the milk is transformed into lactic acid under the action of enzymes present in the lactobacillus. Thus, the curd is formed. Respiration. Cellular respiration is a chemical reaction in which the glucose and oxygen gets converted into water and carbon dioxide with separation of lot of energy. Burning of candle. All the lights a candle makes comes from a chemical reaction known as combustion. Many life-saving drugs which are used for curing diseases are made up of chemical reaction. Drugs such as CIS, ASFT, paracetamol help in curing the diseased. During combustion reaction, the carbon present in the fuel combines with air to produce carbon dioxide and lot of heat is liberated, is converted into mechanical energy that helps in moving the vehicle. Types of reaction: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation reaction, reduction reaction. Thank you.